Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man. It's not quite time to make some soap, but it's time to start preparing for some soap. So I believe everybody knows Renee from Soaps for Love, and she sent me this picture and wondered if I would take this as a soap challenge, and I accepted. I've been thinking on it for a few weeks. I'd planned to do it last week and wasn't quite ready. So I do know what I'm going to do, or maybe I should say attempt to do, to turn this into a soap. So it appears to be a Christmas tree in the background and a very elegant moth superimposed over the Christmas tree. Now, once again, I know what I'm going to attempt to do, but I was wondering, what would you do if you were given this soap challenge? Let me know below. I'm just kind of curious. I usually post my videos Saturday morning, but I think due to the complexity of this, I'm going to attempt to construct this soap Saturday morning. So I probably will not have a video Saturday morning, but hopefully we'll have one Sunday afternoon at the latest. Just wondering what you all would do. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll see you this weekend. Bye.